based on camera life now, you are pretending. Shame and disgrace, they shop you, they go, they pretend. For real, shame and disgrace, they shop you, they go for somebody. After camera, you are crying. Your husband is not proud of you. If your husband is proud of you, on his Zua. Azua. You decide to win, you decide to collect somebody's husband, and you born 5 children for the husband, you go still leave the woman alone. You dey drag the woman now, nemesis don't enter your body now. People don't take up on their head now. They don't saga you now. May you fall out now, they go to drag Precious Meg. Eh? And this is Precious Meg where be say even they support you before. People when they beat you, if you don't let you look there, you go to drag who near you. Or say azen wak. You go to drag who near you. And when you go social media web begging on my boy altar, Precious Meg will see be your sister. Where see the support? Forget say you not gonna talk for your favor this time. You quickly come out. I have your record. That means you don't record Precious Meg since. And you the think say Precious Meg say they talk to sister. You know see what he thought? It's not that they use me do sister. That is say you be better person. That mean that they use to do sister. That is say you be better person. That mean that they use to do sister. They don't say you be useless evil woman. They were using to do sister. They thought you were a great somebody or a good somebody. Now your secret don't open now. Many people will not trust you anymore. Many people will not trust you, madam. I'm telling you the truth. You may not take it. Say, bring the child picture down. I will bring her down. But I just want to expose her. For you to be insulting all these women, where be say your whole day, your body is a shameful to you. See your picking. Coffee. Get coffee in the web here. See Kofi, they laugh. They laugh if they laugh, so I be they smile. We don't know what they do. See Kofi. Say not bring her down. More vote. If you want me to bring it down, say yes. If you don't want me to bring it down, say no. More do voting. More see people will be say, if you don't want me to bring it down, say no. If you want me to bring it down, say yes. Let's do voting. If you want me to bring the picture down because of the child, we say you say yes. If you don't want me to bring it down because of what the advocate the woman is doing, we should continue. Make it the pepper. Who they win now? Most who they win. Abemona tell me now yes or no they win. Who they win? The man don't win it all. It's always yes, it's always no. Now 50-50 at the sisu. I don't know they win. Who they win? Now 50-50 at the see. So say yes or say no. So say yes or say no. You woman don't do now. I bring her down. My wife don't come tell me say I bring her down. Now people might not vex. May I bring her down. We'll see bitter. Now they hear me so. We'll see bitter. May no rest. May no attacks. Any way. When I lawa. I bring her down. I respect my people. I respect my people. May continue to misbehave. This one queen will have Jacoba. Never beg avec coffee. Never beg avec quoi. Mais avec ni yara tieba. Mais people they see quoi. Everything make beef inside your house there. Now you come back call the saga people. They worry you. Now you come back call the saga people. Maybe I get be where you know some classic single mother where they okay. Some good single mother where know what in day. Where business they marry some your men. Why some useless single mother just today? Ni wa some useless single mother why you raw. Hey. We are muyan with you. Eriya shake. Not all. Say put a picture. They say I put a picture. If you want me, may I put the map picture? Mona right, yes. If you want me to put the map picture, you know who I need the map picture because the man na true sense. Una need the map picture. Yeah, we yes. Now I'm with the man because on your one for. Filemo kwa. The more we are to talk, we are quick. Children want to greet you, say no they agree. When Basobi, when see the man head. Eh? For your my people, more have listen to this useless. Before I can play Precious May go for now. More listen to them.
What's up?
Now Precious May they come here, now they send me on those story. Oh, see, and she be all this one. Oh,
yeah.
Una don't see my reply. See,
yeah.
You see her. You
now
see her.
Precious May be all this one. Oh,
yeah.
Mama, no bother delete anything for your end. All this one them now. I get 4 phone.
Yeah.
No bother. Oh,
yeah. Precious May say me you come play.
I go dey insult mama for platform. They apologize to mommy.
You made the worst mistake of your life. The worst. You are picking when you say enter gymnasium yesterday. You see, not my picking with 2 years. My daughter got the gymnasium since last year. Second year, and then they go this September.
Gymnasium on water for where we dey.
You they talk to me.
Gymnasium on water.
Precious man, you fucked up. Oh, we have been the respect, the whole esteem. You were
now you never know. Now you dey respect her. Now you know.
Where? Ah, if you know how people don't tell me your matter, eh?
You not plan. You dey plan wait for her.
I swear.
See, she said when you play, come play the record. See, Larry, you don't tell when they plan wait. See, you don't tell when they plan wait for Precious Meg. Precious Meg, they look, you're the free, how they follow you. Now make you they use on this one till they brag now. You don't tell when they plan wait for her. You hear me? So that is why you they feel brag now. If you know they plan wait for her, you know go brag. Ask me be now, why you not go brag with me? Since how many days why they beat you for this matter and now say you fuck up? Why you not go brag? Because you not get into the plan with me. Me and you know they do anything. You not get anything to because they Precious Meg, you know they kegera. You know they kegera say one day it go blow. One day it go set. Now not even they share the video. Only 8 people that share the video. 500 something people. It's not be the best. Only 8 people should share the video and power tap, guys. 500 and something people is watching us. We only have 8 share. It's not nice, my guy. I be fascinated, man. They want to remain. Now they share the video. They tell me how they share. Now they power tap. Take this power tap to 50 right now, my people. Not too much. Share the live stream. You say you have 50 share. Why you can't show me 8 share here? Now 50 share. Okay. Blessed, not the lie. Now true blessed. Blessed talk. You already believe it. Blessed now. I told you. Power tap. Let's go. What you go, man? E pardon mo ça. You too much. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
If I not do one, I know. Upon no, you are for now you want to send me message. Now you want okay, I should don't talk now. Wait to change. I bet, Mr. Princess, let me ask Precious Meg, what you can happen now when you don't talk?
He carried disgrace, now shame my disgrace because of goat meat. Because of goat meat.
I can't mix no bad.
Carry shame my disgrace.
What me tell you?
Mama, why you not give her number to go buy goat's meat?
I purposely don't give her.
She not sure goat's meat.
I want me to less. She took the job meat.
Imagine.
On 3D.
Okay. Sir.
So also, when I wait to may I play Precious Meg go. Where Precious Meg take dear and say, come play the record. Since where Precious Meg take dear this one don't go hide to my people. Since where Precious Meg take dear and say, come play the record. May I play for the money say. Olé, this is Precious Meg no go answer. When man at Precious Meg. This is no go answer. He answer you. The listing.
Help me and all that during my son's birthday, which I really appreciate how you always been on here.
Voice record.
with voice record. If you have it, just play it. Not just and how there should be where our friends buy everything. I have it. If you now want make I post, I feel post on, I feel screenshot all the pages, post on there. You understand?
Yeah.
So me, I don't too big where person go come they threaten with
Voice record.
with voice record. If you have it, just play it. Not just pity me. I not say she go hear this record.
She dey hear
Ah, she go hear this
Precious
one when I
babe.
just.
Make she not talk say she no hear her. Now make me one plan so for her. I bet Mona share the video per WhatsApp. Mona see they send us gift. We never see gift here. What I said in my gift. If you know say be my top fan, not my riff, I'm gonna they send us gift. More they get joy. Una too much. I respect una. For real. What we see? They see flower. They see what we are here. Small banana. Me ya wakbele yare. So precious man, make she not say she not see this record. That is why I'm playing it now. Now let's solo benjo de ye. Solo benjo. Now let they give me one rose. So yani can marry me. I will see. I do it now. You marry me. Oh, let's solo marry me. Miss what ye? Thank you, God grace. What believe me, ya me? Now they get joy. Support this platform. This platform. All you did this platform. Oh. They don't want to make this platform stand. All you did. There's all year in this platform. All you did this platform. This don't preach platforms. All you did. No. Okay. So, precious man, I'm playing this record for this Epadomosa. For her to see what you said. In case she not see her there, maybe she will see her for here. What again? When I me tag Epadomosa. Can somebody tag Epadomosa? What share again? If you know say you get Epadomosa, you know it be platform. Share and give her. Make on listing. May not say no yeah. Blackmailer. Now this kind of thing, you want to finish your the woman where you collect husband for your hand. Now this guy blackmail, you want to finish her. You can't come out. You wanted to finish that woman with depression. Now God stand for that woman. Listen to Precious Meg.
So I beg, do not just even give me any excuse. Don't come explain. Just come live on your live video. Play the record. Because the only time I know say yes, we take talk then and when see you guys know that since the past a year or 2 years now, but Mama don't know and no get there. I'm even proud. I even tell them say I even like the way when I can't take grow now. We not the hear noise again. That was
guys, continue to power
that one
talk,
after
guys.
their wedding that time when she take
They get quarrel,
this
yeah.
when they take get quarrel. Why I can't talk put you know.
Everybody talk with that.
I even come Facebook by myself that time. I can't do video against my man at that time before we can't still settle and indulge. We can't still apologize to me. So now she even come and say, sister, we're working now. Why may you leave these people? Now I say, I'm not going to leave her. My person need to tell her, say she not get character.
Gossip the mama not for a city for a friends where borrow money for your hand.
My sister, I not fit talk all those ones. And I be adult. I don't want to talk all those ones. All those ones don't pass. So she said she get my audios or my record bag. When me and she take gossip anybody, let her just play. She should not even give me explanation.
I beg. I don't know that it's some people there here. If any is a person there, I beg send me request. Send me, I'll bring you up. In case this man they hear the English way Precious Meg, I want me use a certain teller. Please, if you know say be a person, send me request. I beg. Esa oye, ibe rima, bien rima. Esa oye. Katiane. Katiane. Esa oye. Akemia. Esa oye. Yarema. Wati guyanu. Wati guyanu ya gwa. Iyesa gwa. Wati guyanu. Esa oye. Yarema ya oye. They know they carry last. Me last. Wati yare. Esa me last. Hello. Oui, on est là. On est ça. Where be? I bet send request. If you know say be send request. I want me to translate this thing in one place. So me use this as translator for this woman. This woman not the English again. If you wa send the request, you know what? I want me to use this as translate this thing for her. She need to hear word. Yeah, wait. Please, if you know you are an Esa woman, please send me request. Esa man or Esa woman. See your wife na Esa. My wife they do her. They do children when they want do party tomorrow. Hello.
Ogunye, 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 Ogunye.
Our wall ologu. Lare olokun. Ye wa mulawe we wa ti ogunye. Olokun amulawe we ati ogunye.
Agbọ̀fọ̀kọ̀ Ogunye. Ekita náà fọ Ogunye.
Dama ni me mure na ba petito. Etito kedi kwa jia. Ogunye me mure.
Ogunye.
Ogunye.
Àwòsàn.
Kawo kabisi. Kawo kabisi.
Àwòsòlé. Àwùlé. Ogunye.
Ogun me ya mure. Ogun me mure na. Ogunye. Ogun lare owola.
Wàá sólè. Wàá sọ̀mọ́. Wàá sólè. Wàá sọ̀mọ́. Wàá pèpè ṣe. Àwòsàn.
Mo salo. Lare. Ogudere. Lare.
Àwòsàn. Ugbe.
Ugbe. Ogun lare iya gogo we lare. Iya gogo we wa. Ore. Ogun are ogun wa to come. Na wa le no. Ogun lare. Mamulai. Ogunye. Egbe Espanya gun ogun Westpan. Lare wo na. Ogun Westpan. Who ya po Westpan? Lare. Wo lo ya bi mo sun. What is going on?
Isango.
Who we are wo na? Want to come?
Ogunye. Gbẹ́ni Ṣàngó. Ogunye.
Madam. Where if you go? Ogun Mario bonu e. No weke go. Ogun Mario. Lare. Ogun Mario bonu wene. We wa kangu. Ogun ye pere. Nu kegbe matonyagu. O ma de okay. Lare. Ogun ye pere. Uzegbe matonyagu gbe matonya. E mato. Wa kegbe matonyagu. Ogun ya redo. O ya ye pere. Oso give no. Lare. Oso Marie. Oye se we amore. Oye sana. Oye se we amore. Platform me we na do agba eyan na gwo we. E platform me na gwo we ma sis lare. Oh, uwe poor yagun. Uwe poor we kan guje. You poor. Uwere, madam, uware, madam, take buere. Take yourself. If you call madam, you are a problem. Ere, madam, take buere. Kando number.
6, 8, 9,
Kando number.
3, 9.
Mama, I greet you wherever.
3D. Now, 3D there. Now, her fake account.
Nyore wasi. But Nyore, na she did this sis. Na 3D. Awale. A platform man. Wait, I don't understand. You break your name, see. Nashi, mona radif nashi, mona te nashi, ogwaga bure. Nashi, you understand? What am I? You know, yes. Yes. Nashi.
Mais regarde, on va chat au jeu de temps, mais le chat au jeu de temps, 30 000 donc, au moins, si on voulait, on 30 000.
Madam, you send request. We worry can right pokpa. Okman italo ya wa lowo gba pe ya. Madam. Okman we wa pe. We is Nigeria where ya from jando. Okman we pe. Okman ya de boya ri re. U wa pe ya. Bi yo ko wa be. Wo pokpa se. Wo pokpa se madam. Okman di vitali we ya le re. Wo wa pe ya. Madam. Yali yoko wa ya pi yoko wa. Why say what we are from a jando? Okman with bebe webo. Mother! They know what? Don't worry. 3D. We're not the akbo loku yimo. 3D. That means you know what you are doing. Who done it 3D? E pardon mosa. It what worry bon? Ya far away one. We be ade. Come again. Ya far away one. Come again. So my people, where we dey just now where Precious make the dear say, make she play record. She cannot confess us. You see, my man tell me say na she sins. We marry reta. Una no say na she, una not ta. Di mwe bogbe. We mata. E pardon mo sanare wana. Odo akbogu, ogogagbe. Ogu ya no pe wana. Return back to sender. Hallelujah. Shekere sundoro bububu yekisitia. Rosoto yokoto. Return to sender. Return to sender. Ogu ya no pe wana. Ogu. Egeke. Ogu buede. Ogu buede. Oh yeah, listen to Precious man.
She go hear this one when I just talk. So I beg, do not just even give me.
What are they listening?
Just play it. Not just pity me. I not say she go hear this record.
She dey hear now.
She go hear this one when I just talk. So I beg, do not just even give me any excuse. Don't come explain. Just come live on your live. Play the record. Because the only time I know say yes, we take talk then, and when see you guys know that since the past a year or 2 years now, but Mama Laura and no get there. I'm even proud. I even tell them, say, I even like the way when I can't take grow now. We not the hear noise again. That was that one after their wedding. That time when she take
everybody power tap, guys. Let's go, please. Everybody power tap.
I will come Facebook.
Everybody power tap. Let's go. Thank you.
Mama Laura at that time before we still settle and industry, because they apologize to me. So now she will come and say, sister, we're working now. We want to leave these people. Now I say, I'm not going to leave her. My person need to tell her, say she not get character.
Gossip the Mama Nora for a city for a friends where borrow money for him.
My sister, I not fit talk all those ones. And I be adult. I don't want to talk all those ones. All those ones don't pass. So she said she get my audios or my record bag. When me and she take gossip anybody, let her just play. She should not even give me explanations. She should just come out and play it.
Okay.
I dare her. This is me talking. I dare her for that. But say me I go to follow and make problem. I'm not fit follow and make problem. She's my younger sister, no matter what. So my younger sister doesn't talk to me. Still tell me say no more. Maybe that
guys, everybody power tap, please. Everybody power tap, guys.
All those ones. So
if you never follow me, give me a follow.
But me, I be person will be saying,
please, if you never follow this page, give this page a follow.
I know. I tell them before. Say if you know person, you are open. They open minded.
Una hear wetin Precious made they tell her. Precious made they tell her say, may she come play the record. He say me not pity her. Guys, if you know say never follow this page, just give me a follow. Don't worry. More carry this page, 10,000 followers. Never 10,000 followers. Let's take this page to 10,000 followers. We are going. Ogun Bazia. We are going. Epadomosa wati mumu 3D wati. Epadomosa, Precious Meg is sending a message to you right now that the record when you take gossip and no give you, when you take gossip Mama Nora, when you take gossip Mama na Mama, come and play there. Come and play there. Not by showing us. Play there and see what. Let's see what she say. And I keep the record here. And I keep the record here. Now today they start to play record. You see how actless are you? Who were actless? He pay me say, hey man, I know what we call on. Oh, I want lock bona. Who want Muriana? A padomosa. Use a padomosa finish this man. Today, the man he choking. Man, where they be the where everybody be know for the city where fair day. Today, this man is shocking the Wakana. And you can see use social media take damage and finish. See the way that the family will be here now. This man relative not fit say not there here. See picky where you born for the man. Or manu bien the man. That this picky we need DNA. I bet. Do we need DNA this child? May I ask my people. See the picky where born for the man. One of the picky. This picky need DNA or not? This pikin, he resemble that man. I bet mona talk. This pikin where this woman born, he resemble that man. If this the pikin need DNA, mona write yes. If you don't need DNA, mona write no. Mo see. Let's vote. This pikin need DNA. Mo see DNA. This imagine see the pikin where you born for the man. See. The man face round. This one face may pure. There's difference. Say they don't need DNA. Wait. Not be so whatever do this one. If you know say this woman need DNA, you're the right DNA. If you know say you don't need DNA, say na eri pikin, say the right no. If we see DNA, that means say you want me to do DNA. If I see DNA, it means say you want me to do DNA. If I see no, it means say you don't want me to do DNA. More they see. If you want this baby to do, you need DNA, this baby. More they see. They say no. One love say DNA. Man, they measure their name, self. Man, they measure their name. Tessie why say need DNA. Sweet love say need DNA. Desire say no. Hope Osawe say need DNA. Gloria say need DNA. Sophia say need DNA. Sasha Go say need DNA. Pretty Precious say need DNA. Princess Treasure say he no need DNA. European Queen say need DNA. Festus Rugged Man say he need DNA. Humble Lisa say he no need DNA. His princess say host. Mercy with that is princess say host your pikin need DNA. Hosti, unwe host to gato boy. Lare, unwe host to gato boy. Eve host satana. Ate woko no mebo gbesi go mother. We ate what did host do for this matter? What did host do? You never see host before. When host of boy. When host of boy. What did host do for this matter? Somebody is mentioning people's name that is voting. What did concern host for his side? Host boy. Host boy. Let's continue voting. Mercy want say any DNA. Mercy say any DNA. Hope Osawe say any DNA. Say curiosity. If I don't mention your name, where not verse on me. Oh, if I don't mention your name, where not verse on me. Curiosity. Abi, curiosity defeated fear. It's a lot boy. Any book better. Any book better. Any book better. Say you hope he can resemble you. But when I did the way this woman, they insult single mother, they misbehave. See, everybody say need DNA. Everybody say they need DNA. See, even Beam say need DNA. I dey tell man Beam. Who can be Beam for there again now? Imagine person they be Beam. Your toto make Beam, I be your bola make Beam. Queen B say they need DNA. Yeah, official Destiny say they need DNA. Everybody say they need DNA.